What's up, guys? If you guys have seen any of my videos, you'll know that my current anvil setup is not very great. It's just a little 20-pound VEVOR anvil on a log that's not even level. So to fix that, I ordered some of this, some Chemical X. Let's see what it does. Alright, so here we go. We got our 132-pound cast steel VEVOR anvil. We're just going to do a little unboxing and make a video of me making the stand for it. So here we go. That's not a good sign. The end of our anvil broke through the box. It got a little bit damaged. We'll see more when I take it out of the box. There we go, straight out of the box. Little bit of damage on the end there. Should be alright. It's looking pretty good. It's nice and heavy, 132 pounds. It is gonna take some cleaning up. I gotta clean up the horn here. There's a ridge from the casting. A lot of sharp edges in the hole here and here. Just gonna take a file, gently hit the edges here so it's nothing sharp in the end here. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of a makeover because I don't like the blue color. But yeah, let's do a little test. Got our magnets. That's much better. I don't have any bearings bigger than this, so we'll test our rebound with this. About 10 inches there. 10 inches there. About 9 inches there. 10 right there. In comparison, let's go over to our old cast iron anvil here. Almost zero rebound. I don't even need to put a ruler on it. Get like 1 or 2 inches of rebound on that. it's pretty much dead. That was my starting anvil. Had it for about 2 years. This is a very much needed upgrade. I'm looking forward to all the stuff I can do with this. We're gonna give it a quick makeover, and then we'll build a stand for it. I got our 4x there. I did a test piece right there. The stand is gonna be 30 inches tall, plus 8 inches of anvil. Got all that to go. Three down, 9 to go. Alright, got our 4x4s all cut to length. I sanded the corners down. I sanded the face and I did a little wood burning, bring out some cool color. And then I brushed on some burnt linseed just to preserve it a little bit. Now I'm going to throw our corner brackets on. Right now I'm using ratchet straps, hold everything in place, keep it nice and square. Then I'll sand down where we're gonna set our anvil, flip it over, sand down the bottom so it's nice and level and flat. And then we'll put that big boy on there, and that's our new anvil stand. We went from a little log, little dry rotted log that was like a foot off the ground. Then we upgraded to a taller log that's nice and wobbly with our 22-pound anvil. And now our upgrade, we got our 132-pound cast steel anvil sitting on 4x4s, but actually they're 3.5 by 3.5 because I don't know, they don't sell 4x4s. Just stuck it on some silicone, painted it black, burnt our wood, give it a nice color, rubbed some linseed oil on it. It's a little dusty, but that'll wipe off. Got our brackets on. Huge upgrade. I'm excited.